Hi, I'm Justin with Stone Trucking in Kiefer, Oklahoma. I'm the Vice President of Maintenance and Purchasing. And I started using Tire Care about 6 months ago here. And we initially started it, we were going to have a safety lane to do brakes, lights, tires, DOT inspections and stuff like that here at our facility. Michelin came in and talked about Tire Care, and so we implemented that. We were doing it 1 day a week. They're coming in, the dealer's coming in, spending a whole day out here, or most of a day out here, looking at the trailers that we just happened to have in the yard that day. They do a report. It looks at tread depth, tire pressures, lets you know if you have some mismatched tires, some bad wear, flats, obviously, stuff like that. And what we noticed is one, we started out getting some alerts right away. We'd let our vendor know. They'd come out, work on the tires. What we noticed the most was our over-the-road tire breakdown occurrences and expense was going down. So then I started looking at our overall expense on tires, and month over month they just continue to drop. So I really like the proactive approach to our tire program by having Michelin come out here, once a week, go through whatever's in the yard, let us know what their findings are, and then have our vendor come out and fix those. No matter what the drivers say, they're not doing their DOT inspections like they say they are. So this is just that little bit added security so we could reduce our CSA scores and also our uptime, which improves driver retention and stuff like that.